Oman to install new devices to monitor meteor showers. According to Oman News Agency, the Ministry of Heritage and Tourism is implementing a project to install meteor monitoring devices in the Omani airspace by installing 4 devices in different sites to track any new meteors. This project saw joint cooperation between a specialized scientific team from the Natural History Museum in Bern in Switzerland, along with a technical support team from Curtin University in Australia and the Oman Telecommunications Company. Low pressure trough to continue affecting weather over Oman. CAA said in a statement that the weather is expected to be cloudy during Monday and Tuesday over the governorates of Musandam, North al-Batana, South al-Batana, Muscat, al-Buraymi, al-Dhahira, al-Dakhiliya, South al-Sharqiyya and North al-Sharqiyya, with chances of rain, occasionally thunder showers associated with fresh winds, flash floods, hail, and wadis. The peak of this weather event is expected to be tomorrow. A drop in temperature is expected on Tuesday evening due to the northwesterly winds. New COVID-19 cases. As many as 176 new cases of coronavirus were registered in Oman, in addition to 0 new COVID-19 related deaths.